Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you two easy ways to attach a PDF file to an email in the new Outlook. Let's get started. Method 1. Drag and drop the PDF file. First, open the new Outlook. Click on New and then select Mail to create a new email message. Now open the folder where your PDF file is saved. Simply drag the PDF file and drop it into the email message. The PDF will be attached automatically. This is the first and fastest method. In method 2, we will use the attach file option. Open the new Outlook, click on New, and then select Mail. In the new email window, click on Attach File, then select Browse this computer. Find and select your PDF file, and then click Open. Your PDF file will now be attached to the email. As you can see, there are two simple ways to attach a PDF file in the new Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.